welcome back to AUTOID TV. Today we're going to be showing you how to install the CSL yellow DRLs on a G80, G82, any G8X platform. Let's crack on and show you how to install them. So as you can see, we've installed one DRL, which is on the left. Ignore the flashing at the moment, that's just my camera. And on the right side, we're going to show you how to install that now. So these are the Motorsport Plus DRLs that we sell. As you can see, it comes with a little scan to install guide. And inside you'll actually have 4 lots of modules inside the bags, 2 for either side. And the tools that you need, nice and easy. All you actually need is a 10mm socket, like so, a little flathead screwdriver, and a T20 Torx bit. We're going to use an electric screwdriver or electric ratchet screwdriver because it'll make it a lot easier to install. Get the car jacked up or on a ramp, and let's crack on and get started.
Right, so it's a very easy install on these. First step, you just have to remove the arch lining. Once you've done that, you'll gain access to the first module you need to take out to replace the electronic board. And then if you come around here, second module is just up here. That one's a lot easier to get to. Right, now all them 10mm bolts are out, you can just remove the arch lining. Alright, so this is the first module that we're going to be taking off. It's where you'll need the T20 Torx bit. There's just 2 screws on it you want to undo. Once you've taken them 2 screws out, you can just gently pop the heatsink off. Once it's off, you'll see there's one sensor plugged in. Just push the tab in, pull that off, just like that. Alright, next step, we need to get this board off to replace it with the new ones. So you want to do is just get a flathead. Slowly work your way underneath it.
It's got some glue underneath it, so it might take a little bit to pry it off.
To get it out. Alright, now you just want to peel the backing off the 3M on the new modules. And then you just line them 3 holes up, the 3 pins there. Just push that down.
It's ready to get back on the car.
Yep. Now you just want to repeat the process when you took it off. So just plug the sensor back in. Now that's back in, you just want to reinstall the arch liner and then we'll crack on with the module on top.
So just another thing to add, this customer, whilst he's been down, he's actually had the Miltech OPF delete catback system fitted whilst he's been down here with the resonated centre box. What I'll do is I'll give you a little rev. You guys can hear what this sounds like as well.
Now for the second module. So once again, it's just 2 T20 Torx bits. One sensor, swap over the module, and just reverse the process. Same process again, I'm just going to pry this one off, get the new one stuck on, plug back onto the car and all tightened up. Then just repeat the same process on the other side, good to go.
So now the DRLs have all been installed. Looking a lot nicer, look really cool. Nice easy install for you guys. If anyone has any problems, just give a member of the team a shout. These are available on our store, so make sure you check it out. I'll catch you guys on the next one.